3, 2, 1, release, release, release. Fire, fire.
Okay, that could be me sitting on a rocket and going on a trip to space. So before I go ahead with this video, you guys have to wish me luck because I've just registered for this crazy contest that can land me 2 free tickets for a trip to space. Now this might sound unrealistic, but what if I tell you that could be a reality? Even for you. So till now we have seen the most finest and the most brightest astronauts going on a trip to space. But now Virgin Galactic, which is a British spaceflight company, wants to take civilians to space and wants to make it accessible for all humans. So for the first flight, it is giving away 2 free tickets for general public, and if you win these tickets, you will be taken for a free trip to space next year. Now every second of this extraordinary flight will be recorded in HD and you will be given a window seat along with a mirror so that you can watch yourself floating through space. Now the question is, who can register for this free trip to space? Well, if you are above the age of 18 years and you do not belong to any of these countries, then you are eligible for this free trip to space. And I just registered myself, and in this video I will tell you how you can do it too. So watch this video till the end, and you can also thank me later or once you come back from space and become an astronaut. So to register for this historic flight to the edge of space, head to omaze.com/space. Now you can enter in 2 ways. First is by donating some money and choosing a donation amount, but that won't increase your chance to win the tickets. The second way is absolutely free. You can simply tap on enter without contributing. Now fill out this form, enter your details, type in your address, your name, but just make sure you enter your email ID correct and no one else uses your ID because multiple participants are not allowed to share the same email address. Then tap on submit entry and it's done. You have registered for a free trip to space. And you know the best part is you can also register yourself a maximum of 6,000 times so that you have a better chance to win these free tickets to space. The registration process will end on September 1 this year, so make sure you register yourself before the deadline. And the winner will be randomly picked, more of like a lucky draw, and the name will be announced around September 29. So if you're lucky enough, you will go on a trip to space, and this will be a huge deal for space tourism. Just recently, Virgin Galactic's founder Richard Branson went on a trip to space on July 11th with his fellow passengers, and now Elon Musk has also booked his ticket to fly to space with Virgin Galactic. But it's unknown at the moment when he will be actually going to space. But billionaire Jeff Bezos has announced that it will be going on a trip to space on July 20th this year. And there will be more such flights to space in the coming years and the months, and there is no going back. So do share this video with more space enthusiasts and let me know in the comment section below if you've ever thought of going to space. And like always, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our awesome videos.